Fortunately, no one was hurt.
The American dream will stay just that for so many families, a dream. Mortgage rates just went up to their highest level in more than 20 years, now sitting at just over 7%. KCAL News reporter Rachel Kim talked with one nervous buyer.
It's definitely impacted the square footage of what I can look into. Definitely forcing me to relook at my strategy.
Boyle Heights resident Areli Kirarte is now in the market for a bigger house in her hometown. But since the average on a 30-year home loan just hit the highest level since 2002 at 7.09%, she's carefully considering her options before making any offers. The
hope of getting into something that my mom and I can live in comfortably outweighs the risk and and the fears.
Yes, I think now is a good time. I like to tell my clients, let's lean in.
Andre Warren is Areli's realtor at the agency. He says he's advising clients to move forward despite the high mortgage rate.
This varies on price point and location and things like that. But speaking across the board, in most cases, you're going to be competing against less buyers.
Zach McReynolds, the co-owner of Next Home Real Estate Rockstars in Santa Clarita, tells us the high mortgage rate and high house prices are affecting first-time home buyers mostly.
The biggest thing that we're seeing is the lack of inventory is part of the people that did refi into a 3% or lower. They don't want to sell or refuse to sell because even if they need a bigger home, they don't want to get out of their 2.75 to go buy into a 6.5, 7.
McReynolds says it should be a seller's market because of the lack of inventory, but it's actually now a buyer's market because they're being picky with their money.
Maybe you're not jumping from your entry-level house all the way to the 3,000 square foot. Maybe you make a stop in the middle.
Warren says buyers and sellers are trying to accommodate the other, and he believes there's opportunities on both sides.
Now, sellers are much more flexible. Some sellers are willing to actually finance part of it. I think you lock in the house now and you take advantage of programs and maybe you refinance in a year or 2 years or whenever those rates change.
We're putting in an offer today, so fingers crossed that, there's a good outcome.
Rachel Kim, KCAL News.
A big weekend ahead in Manhattan Beach.